Howdy y'all. Just got done at Scullypalooza. Spent an entire 10 days there filming tours pretty much nonstop. Currently in Aaronsburg, Arizona, which is basically by the Mexican border. I am going to be heading up to Portland to meet up with Brenda. Portland's going to be home for a couple weeks, and I will be doing some van building there. I have some craziness that I'm going to do to my van, which I'm really scared but excited about, and I think it's going to be an amazing addition. But for now, the challenge will be getting to Portland in a couple days, maybe 3 days. I don't know yet. I'm going to try and attempt 10 hours tonight to Battle Mountain, Nevada. All right, got my delicious Pilot coffee here, and we're going to hit the road. I just realized I don't have a battery for my GoPro. I don't know where the heck the battery went, so we're coming up to Las Vegas, and I'm going to stop at a Best Buy. I'm going to buy a battery and whatever else I need, and that way I can start doing some time lapses from here as I'm driving so all of y'all can see these beautiful mountains. It is an absolute disaster in this van. Once I get to Portland, this thing's going to deep clean. Ooh, look at that. This is a cool little arm. Ooh, it's working. So I'm going to do time warp. So now I'm going to show you what this camera looks like. You can see kind of why I'm choosing this to stick on my dash and not that. That there is the Canon R6 with a Sennheiser shotgun mic, Polar Pro Basecamp matte box with a polarizer and variable ND with Pro Mist. So that's cool. And you can see me right there. It's just gonna try to look at it, but this thing kind of gets in the way of seeing that. So that kind of sucks, but yeah. Canon R6, really awesome camera. I love it. And that's primarily how I get to you guys. Alright, home sweet home in a rest stop in a little town called Carver's, Nevada. It's cold. It's like 36 degrees outside, maybe. Yeah, I don't even know why I'm doing this, to be honest with you. Like, vlogging is so weird. It's like, why do you even care, about my life? Why, why? I think I'm still trying to figure out that why. And I gave myself a goal this year, and it was to get my monetization turned on for YouTube. And, just make my own money somehow like that instead of working for other people, even though I really enjoy that, but I could deep way down inside. It feels like, it feels like I just want to live my life and get paid for it. It sounds so crazy, like, so many people do it, like, aiming them back. My friends Baron and Elsa, like, they're just living their lives. They're getting paid to do it. I can probably genuinely tell you that is just what I want, no matter what. Like, I just want to live my life and get paid, so I can live my life. Because you only get one life. You don't get to, you don't get a do-over. You don't get to try again. Like, I've really made myself believe that. That kind of motivates me a little bit. But I guess also just like speaking this out loud, which I don't really do too often. And now I'm saying it. And if it means living in this van and, talking to my camera to you, and like, it's pretty nuts. So yeah, if you're still watching, thank you. That's really cool of you. Yeah, I had a weird life. Yes, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm freaking tired. Not sure when I'm gonna get up. I just wake up whenever the internal alarm clock goes off, and usually it's because I'm gonna take a poop. There's a freaking bathroom here. I'm really excited for that. I'm gonna go to bed, but you're gonna see daytime, like, really soon. Good morning. cruising. We're on the road. We're going. There's no Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts or anything around here. We are quite literally in the middle of nowhere. Beautiful mountains though, so that's nice. Yeah, we're gonna go through a pass and go over some mountains and then enter this town called Austin, which has a gas station that I think I'm gonna grab some coffee at. Hopefully they have good coffee. We'll see. They have really good coffee here. So we're traveling through. Great coffee, donuts. America. Alright. Now we're headed to Battle Mountain. And that's where I'll probably find some breakfast. Let's go! So I just saw a sign that we are on the Pony Express Trail. How freaking cool is that? Sounds like we gotta learn some history about the Pony Express. Let's do it. Pony Express. I know this is probably not what I'm supposed to be doing, but I'm gonna literally wide open road in front of me. Pony Express was a mail service delivering messages, newspapers, and mail using relays of horse-mounted riders that operated from April 3rd, 1860. Holy shit, 1860, that's a long time ago. To October 26, 1861, only a year. Between Missouri and California. So I'm like, smack dab in the middle of this almost. In that one whole year, it became the West's most direct means of east-west communication before the transcontinental telegraph was established in October 24th, 1861. So it's like the little freaking internet for them, like the Stone Age internet. It's kind of crazy. What else we got going on here? Approximately 1,900 miles long. Roughly followed the Oregon and California trails to Fort Bridger in Wyoming. Wow. And then the Mormon Trail known as Hastings Cutoff to Salt Lake City. And then it followed to central Nevada, to Carson City and the Nevada Territory, or passing over the Sierras, reaching Sacramento. Wow! So, like, that's what gets me going, you know? It's just, these people didn't have roads. They had dirt roads, but like, if you ever been on a dirt road, it freaking sucks. I'm on dirt roads a lot, and it sucks in a car. Imagine doing it in a freaking wagon with ox and horses and potentially your family, and then you're getting freaking murdered by Native Americans. Like, it's a wild thing. I'm really messing up my tire mileage. That's alright though. It really intrigues me to like drive pretty much the same route that they drove, seeing the same things that they're seeing. Like all these mountains and probably the same animals out here, like pronghorn, mule deer, maybe some elk. Really wild stuff. I love it so much. Anywho, I'm on my way to Bend, Oregon. I got 3 hours and 54 minutes left. 150 right now. Probably pick you up when I get to Sage and Cats, so you guys can meet them too.
Hi, I'm Sage Andrew Roddy. I have a YouTube channel that has a lot of Honda Element related content, so if you like Brian Bear Butler's Honda Element content, maybe you'll like my channel too. Feel free to go on over there and watch my videos. I'm currently in the process of building out a brand new camper for my Honda Element. Got videos upcoming about that.
Alright, let's go eat pizza.
Yeah, let's go eat pizza.
Good morning, everybody. Parked right outside of Sisters, Oregon. Freaking cold. Gonna go to Cat and Sage's shop, get some coffee, get some breakfast, and then head to Portland to see Brenda.
So the drawers are going to go about to here, and then I'll have access to other stuff through the side passenger door right here. So
That's like freaking dope. Oh, this goes.
oh yeah, because
All right, so I have left Cat and Sage. They hit me with they're moving into an apartment. They've been full-time living in vehicles for like almost 4 years. A lot of nomads, you know, kind of dream of the day they will have a roof over their head again, but you know, under their own terms and with all the traveling they've done, they figure out where they want to live. Big reason why a lot of us travel out here is just to find out where we ultimately want to end up and kind of like reintegrate ourselves back into society. I know I'm thinking about it. I would love to have my own piece of land where I can just do whatever the hell I want. And, you know, that's happening in the future. Maybe even this year. I don't know yet. This big reason why I think I want to vlog this year is it's going to be a big year for me. It's going to be a huge year for me. There's a lot of stuff going on. There might be a trip to South Africa. There might be a trip to Alaska. You know, land purchasing may happen. There's a lot of stuff happening. I'm really, really excited. All right, I will catch you later. Well, that was one hell of a drive through the Cascades. I got an hour and 38 minutes left until I get to see Brenda. I'm excited to see her. It's been a work in progress myself to become more open, you know, to receiving kindness and such, which I'm not really good at. Working on it. And yeah, she's freaking really great. I think we're stopped here for a little bit. Yeah, she's awesome. We should probably watch this too, so. You're so good. Look at him just sitting here.
He's the best dog.
You're the best dog ever. Hey, you want pets like this? You gotta be nice. What a road trip. It takes a lot out of you. Driving, you know, it was almost 20 hours, 21 hours of driving all put together. It's not easy. Each time I do it, I learn something new every single time, like stopping every 2 hours, taking a break, and stretching and relaxing your body a little bit from sitting all day long. Getting a good lineup of good podcasts and YouTube videos. You know, just stocking up on your own snacks so you're not pulling over every hour at a McDonald's or some crazy shit. But yeah, that was a fun drive. It's always good to see the country and see what changes and just, you know, just understand what else is out there besides these big cities. And I just absolutely freaking love it so much. So I'm going to go. I'm going to pick this back up this weekend. When you'll see me working on the van, you'll see Brenda working on her van too. She can't be on here right now because she's too busy working. She's in meetings, and I got things to go do right now myself. So that's where I'll leave it. See you next time.